Namaste. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss question number 24 from PSA 2024. The question says that we have a discrete random variable which has the PM of this. Now we have an unknown parameter P which has a particular range, and we have a sample of size 4 with these observations. We need to find out what is the maximum likelihood estimate of P based on these observations. So before starting off with the problem, some prerequisites, some basic concepts. The first one is that suppose you are given with a sample x1, x2, x3, x4, what is the likelihood? The likelihood is basically the likelihood of the parameter to have some value given that you are having the observations x1, x2, x3, x4 or anything. So what is that? That is nothing but the product of the PMFs for those observed values. And given that this sample is independent and is drawn from the same PMF fx. And then what is the MLE of any unknown parameter P? So MLE is basically the value of P which maximizes our likelihood. So the likelihood is a function of P, and this x1, x2, x3, x4 are known given you have the observations already in your hand. In that case, this function of P, we try to maximize it and we try to find out the value of P which maximizes this. Alright, so moving on. Having this particular things from the question itself, we try to find out the likelihood. So what is the likelihood? It is nothing but product of the corresponding probability. Since they are independent, we get 18 into p to the power 4, which is an increasing function of p. So more the value of p, more will be this, right? So if we try to maximize this particular value, we must choose the maximum possible value of p, which is 1 by 10, because we have this range also. So what is the value of p in this particular problem? It is 1 by 10, right? So we get the right option in this particular problem as option C. Clear? So if you like this video, give some appreciation to the next person you meet today. Hare Krishna.